Union Minister for the Development of Northeastern Region and Communications, Jyotiraditya M. Scindia, arrived in Agartala today to begin a high-profile 3-day official tour of the state. The visit is aimed at reviewing regional progress and laying the foundation for a series of transformative infrastructure and tourism projects funded by the central government. Upon his arrival, the Union Minister is scheduled to participate in a ceremonial event at the Ravindra Bhavan in Agartala. During his stay, he will inaugurate and lay the foundation stones for projects totaling approximately Rs 574.2 crore under the Ministry of Donor.
Hi there, this is Nelson Debroma, welcoming you all to the Chini Khorang. I wish you all a very happy Saraswati Puja on this day. And right now, Chini Khorang team has arrived at the Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport to welcome the Ministry of Communication of India and the Donor Ministry, Sir Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. He will shortly be arriving in Agartala, this MBB airport. He have departed from Delhi at around 12 p.m. and he will be arriving by 2 p.m. latest. So right now we have reached here waiting for him for his arrival. After that, we'll try to take some exclusive interview with him on what the purpose he is visiting Tripura for 3 days. It's going to be the 3-day tour all over the districts of Tripura. First, he will be coming to Agartala. After that, he will be staying at Hotel Polo Tower for a moment. Later, he will go to various medical fields in Department of Dental College and other medical colleges he will be visiting. Later, he will also be going to the Ravindra Bhavan to lay the foundation stones of the various new projects of Donor Department and yes, the Development Ministry of the Northeast Regional. So after that, he have another schedule to be held in North District. He will be moving towards Unukoti District. He will be visiting the heritage sites of Unukoti, and later he will also be going to the Dumbur, which is another beautiful place where he will be staying for a night. And there also in the Dumbur also he will be staying for a night, and then he will lay the foundation stone for various developmental projects there also. And after that, he will be coming back to Udaipur and he will take some blessings at the Matabari temple, and followed by he will be coming back to Agartala again and he will move towards Guwahati. And they have another schedule of programs for some developmental projects in Guwahati itself. So let us wait for him. Sir Jyotiraditya, he will be arriving shortly and will take some exclusive interviews if possible. Well, thank you so much.
Key highlights of the scheduled itinerary include on 23rd Friday, the Minister will visit the Maternal and Child Health Wing at the Agartala Government Medical College and the Government Dental College to inspect Central Aid implementation. On January 24th, the Minister will travel to Karamtala in North Tripura to launch Agar Wood Base, projects worth Rs 78.53 crore, intended to position the state as the global hub for the liquid gold industry. The Minister will also visit the historic Unukoti heritage site. On 25th, Scindia will stay a night at Coconut Island, Dumbur, and launch a tourism project and unveil the Matavari Tourism Circuit project valued at Rs 276.78 crore to enhance pilgrimage and ecotourism.
आप लोग ठीक हो?
Yeah.
All well? Good to see you all once again in Tripura. It's always a pleasure to be back in, if I may use the term, my state, because Tripura has a special relationship with the Scindia family. As I mentioned to you all last time, my aunt, Maharani Padmaraje, was married to former Maharaja of Tripura. And therefore, this is a land with which I feel a very, very strong bonding from the heart. Chief Minister Manik Saha Sahab has always been very cooperative, very visionary, very forward-thinking and very determined in his endeavors to bring about all-round development of the state. I am very fortunate to have the opportunity to be working with him. I come to Tripura today not empty-handed, but the Prime Minister's resolve of bringing all-round development to Ashtalakshmi, our 8 states in the northeast, the Seven Sisters in Sikkim. And as part of that initiative, I come today with almost 540 crores worth of development projects. 220 crores odd. We will be doing the function shortly in the next hour or so. 3 foundation stones and 3 inaugurations of roads, health services, tourism services, power services, contributed by the Government of India for the state of Tripura. Tomorrow I go to Dumbur, where along with the Chief Minister we will be laying the foundation stone of a very, very ambitious tourism circuit. Mata Sundari, Mata Bari tourism circuit for about close to about 250 to 70 crores. And therefore I will also be doing darshan later tonight. And therefore the whole imperative is to make sure that we cover all frontiers. We are also doing a special project for Agarwood, a pilot project for Agarwood, which is in many ways liquid gold today. And this is a project that we have conceived at the donor ministry for both Assam and Tripura. Chief Minister and I have been working very assiduously on this project as well. So the pilot project will be flagged off for Agarwood. And so therefore we are looking at a whole area of initiatives, from Agarwood to tourism, to health, to power, to infrastructure for Tripura. I look forward to my next 3 days here in Tripura and in Assam, and look forward to being a partner in the journey of development and progress as envisioned by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Thank you.
During the visit, Scindia is also expected to hold a high-level meeting with Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha to discuss the roadmap for the developed Northeast vision.
The Ministry of Communication and Donor Ministry has recently just arrived, and he have shortly briefed and given short overview about his 3 days visit in Tripura. He will be visiting various places of the state, and he will be laying down the foundation stone for the various development projects. So right now we have seen that the Minister Santanu Chakma and the BJP State General Secretary Bipin Debarma has welcomed him at the MBP airport, and now they are heading towards Polo Towers, and after that they will be moving towards various developmental schemes and to the medical services and all. They will be doing a overall discussions about whatever the development projects we have bought for the state. So stay tuned, keep watching Chini Khorang. We'll be bringing more updates shortly. Thank you.
Reported by Nelson, Amit and Saljang from Agartala, Chini Khorang.